So here I have taken 2 cup milk and 3 cup milk and almost 1/3 ounce is milk with custard powder, 3 tablespoons. And now I'm adding sugar. We like sweet, so I'm adding more. You can make it as per your taste. I have added 8 teaspoons of sugar, and this is going to be my custard batter. First I'm boiling milk and sugar together, then I will add this custard mix and make it like a little thicker one. So as per my recipe, it should be little thicker one. So I will make it and then I will keep it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, and by the time I am making mango jelly. So here I have 2 boxes of mango jelly, and I'm going to use both because I need more jelly for serving. To make mango jelly, for 1 box of jelly packet I need 1 cup of water. So I'm putting 2 cup of water in this because I'm taking 2 boxes to make in one. So this is another one. Now this will boil, and then afterwards I will add the jelly powder. So preparing both items together and keep in the fridge for 2 hours to 3 hours, and later on I will start the work for beating the cream and few more items to use for mango trifle. This is the cake I'm using for mango trifle this time. This is vanilla and chocolate mix, I guess. Yeah, so these 2 sides are for the chocolate and the middle one is vanilla. So I think this should be good. So now here I am adding powder for jello. Taking 2 packets. Mix well. We'll keep it for 1 more boil. Now here you can see this whipping cream and mango pulp. This is the leftover cream from my previous chocolate cake. So I'm going to use the same one and going to beat it first, and then later on I'll be adding little mango pulp in this to give a yellowish texture, because I'm making a mango delight. I'm making mango trifle, sorry. So for that I need a little yellowish cream, but it should be very thick. So I'm going to beat it with my beater. Let's see. So after 10 minutes of beating, this is the thickness of the cream. You can see it's not moving that easily. And now I need to add the mango pulp. So let's open and pour some. So I have added this mango pulp, just 2 tablespoons, and this is Alfonso mango pulp, and it's too sweet. Very nice. I hope I'll remember this for my next recipe. So I'll get the same one because I always forget which one is nice and which one to take. But this brand and this Alfonso one is nice over here. Normally we get different brands in Calgary, and some of the time some pulps are not sweet but sour, some are little bitter with taste, but this is nice. So back to recipe and let's continue beating. The color of yellow in the cream is little less, so I'm adding 1 more tablespoon. It's actually not coming properly. Okay, so this is perfect. Now here in this plate I'm cutting this vanilla cake because this is going to be as part of layers. So not taking the chocolate one but taking the middle one, which is vanilla. This one. So I'm cutting this in cubes and it will be used as layering along with cream, mango pulp, jelly and custard. First 3 slices, 3 to 6, and now small pieces. Like this. I need more. So first I'm using this much. If needed, I'll cut more from this. Box. So one of the item is ready. Now I have to get jelly and the custard, which is down in the fridge. I had made yesterday and kept it, so I'm going to remove it now. So here I have this cream and I'm putting this in the Ziploc bag so I can make a cone of this. I can use it from here. And now, starting in this bowl with the first layer, that is cake. So this is the first layer, which is cake, and these are other toppings. Second layer is custard. So this is thick, creamy custard made yesterday, and now it is all set. Just mixing it. And now the third layer. Third layer is with mango. Mango with little juice, mango cubes. This is how it is looking so far. And now fourth layer. So the fourth layer will be again the cake and custard and mango pulp. And after that, now we have thick cream. After cream, again I'm going to put mango jelly. save some to top decoration. After this, I'm going to put mango cubes. And now the final layer with mango custard and cream. Cake. And now jelly. So this time you can make little more smaller pieces for jelly, because this is just a topping. If you want to make it little more colorful, then you can also add some tutti frutti on this. Adding little mango pulp on top. So this is the mango pulp I'm using. The bowl is full. this is the tutti frutti I'm using, only this much. And all red and orange color only came out rather than green or some other. Anyways, fine. So this is my mango trifle. I'm going to keep in the refrigerator for at least half an hour